This inside of the, it's an 05 Freightliner. With the crank, I mean, it needs a little bit of cleaning. The seat has a seat cover on it, but it's got some damage underneath. But it needs a seat covering. Let's see. Get right up in the cab here. Okay. Instrument cluster. Trolley brake on the dash. Here. 10-speed pattern. I don't know how that even works, that display. I don't know what this wire goes to. I think it's just a... I don't know what that wire goes to. Up overhead storage, all in good shape. You got some spare parts up there, I guess. Like I said, the mattress, it would have to be changed. The curtains are all good. Curtain for the side window. This truck has an APU. I have to turn some light on, I guess. That's a storage up here. That looks good. Left some books in here, I don't know why. Place for your laptop. Inside the bunk is your bunk controls. I don't know what else anybody has to see. I mean, nothing's all banged up or nothing. Pretty good shape. I mean, it's not a new truck. They sell new trucks down the road from me. But this one's a good truck for the money.